Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I have some question for you.
Okay.
Do you can answer my question?
Sure.
What are you doing? What are your activity in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. and for prayer soon. After prayer, I sleep again uh, into 8 a.m. for join X school.
Oh, it's just school.
My X school is Silat with Ustaz Mahyar.
If afternoon, what are you doing? Do you join school? School silat again?
Not if afternoon I join English X school. If you, what are you doing in the morning?
Oh, my activity is after praying, I come back to my boarding and then I change my clothes because I want to wash my clothes. I go to bedroom and wash my clothes. And then I sleep again into 9 a.m. every day.
Wait. If you suffer, what are you doing in the morning and in the afternoon?
Oh, I I wake up at 5 a.m. to 5
For what you wake up? For prayer?
to pray.
Okay.
After prayer, I come back to my boarding for sleep again to
It's not
to
Into
to 9.
in afternoon, what are you doing?
Afternoon, I play small box.
oh thank you for answering today because I want to back to my morning and take a shower for this month.